Yo, sorry guys, my voice is gonna be a little still wrecked. How we doing tonight? How's everybody doing? You guys are gonna have to help me out this evening, because I'm still trying to recover the pipes, and it's not happening. And yes, I drank tea and honey today, so it did happen. But yeah, man, I found that if I really talk quietly, I can get some tone. But anytime I try to project, forget about it. Just forget about it. Immediate rasp. So how we doing tonight, guys? How's everybody trading? Looks like we've had quite a little wild open here, huh? But welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. I took last night off thinking that might do it, that might cure the voice, but it hasn't yet. So we're just gonna deal with it. You use AI to speak for me. It's okay. We'll just have a quiet stream, and that's okay. You know, you guys are probably tired of hearing my voice anyway. We are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening. Exclamation point Wes will enter you into that drawing. Let me make sure the Nightbot is doing the giveaway. And let's see here. It looks like everything's good. Looks like there are people entering. Okay, good. We are good. Good deal. But how we trade today, guys? How we do? Oh, nice, Bob. Oh, yeah, let me say my hellos here. Good evening, Lambra. Lambra, you were first. Lambra, you were first. Good evening, Wendy. Age of Nakatsun? Nakatuni? Is that right? Did I say that? Did I pronounce that right? Age of Nakatsuni? Good evening, Bob. Good evening, Andre, Randall, Chicken Trader, Mick, Scalpular, Callie, JB. Lambert, you're in both? All right, good deal. What's up, Red? How are you? Andrew. Who's all here? Doug, good evening. Tassiro, good evening. What's up, Lorenzo? How are you? Mike. Spencer. J Styles. How we doing, guys? How's everybody doing tonight? People still slowly filing in. Hopefully you guys have better voices than mine. Hopefully today's trading day was good. Today was good. Ended up being a great day for me. The first hour was kind of nonsense of market open. What's up, Spencer? What's up, Donovan? Trev, you sold your grandma's meds for another eval, so let's get it done. All right. Good evening, Golden Eagle. How we doing, guys? I had a pretty good trading day. My main trade today, pre-market, my pre-market read this morning was going to be this. So my key level was 25,020. Anything above there, I was long bias. Entry level 25,030 for the long, 25,020 for the short. I actually caught both sides of this trade. I didn't get the full target on the short side trade from 25,020. It got to 960 and kind of reversed. The other trade that I had was the long. And let's see if I can find it here. I think I posted it in Discord. I can't remember. I know I put it on X and Instagram, but there it is. There it is. This was my trade from today that really made me all my money. I got full target on this one. So it was a pretty big trade. You can see right here, I'm screenshotted at 2,000 up in profit. And it went another 60 points. So just over $3,000, 3.1K on the trade today. So trading plan worked out. Just goes to show you how how having a pre-market plan is very valuable. Very valuable. I can't stress it enough. The biggest leap in my trading came from when I started doing pre-market analysis and finding key levels to execute off of, and trying to stick to that plan. It makes all the difference in the world, guys. It really does. Really does. What's up, Ignacio? How are you? So yeah, needless to say, I had a pretty good trading day today. A little over 4K. Joel, how are you, Joel? Joel, I don't have a voice. I'm sorry. What's up, Tommy? I'm sorry I can't sound more animated. But I am happy to see you here, Joel. Regardless of how I sound. What's up, Sovereignty? How are you? Thanks, Joel. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Joel. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to carry the vibes tonight, because man, the voice is struggling. Like I said, we are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening. Exclamation point Wes will enter you into that chat. I'm not sure when we're gonna do the drawing, because of said voice and how long it will last. What's up, Martin? So we'll see how long I can last. Hopefully I can make it a while. If not, it might just be a quiet stream for me. And you guys can just troll me in the chat. Sound good? Hopefully that sounds good. All right. I'm getting music off notifications here. I'm not sure what's going on with Epidemic Sound and why it keeps stopping and starting, but we'll go with it. What's up, Prince Pastor? How are you? For those of you that are in the mobile format, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. It's a much better streaming experience. That's where most people are hanging out at. So just feel free to click on the full screen version. But welcome, guys. Everybody that's new here. Like I said, we are giving away that 50K Lucid test account this evening. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into that drawing. Red. It's just I feel fine. Like, I feel fine, guys. There's no temperature. There's there's no fever. I don't feel sick. It's just the voice is gone. The voice is gone. It's been gone for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days now. So, yeah, stinks. Like I said, if I talk really, really quietly, I can get a little bit of tone out of my voice. But anytime I try to like elevate the tone or like project anything at all, it starts sounding like this. The best deal on a 50K, the J, it depends on who you want to go with. Like, there's 50Ks out there under $50 with some of the newer props. I don't know that I just use sign language. I don't know that I you know, a lot of the new ones, I would have to try them out first and get to pay out to see if they pay out or what the deal is or how the process is. I know My Funded Futures is $77 right now for their core plan. Lucid is actually pretty cheap right now. In fact, let me check what the cost of that is all in. With code WES. Let's see here. With code WES, the Lucid 50Ks are $74.25. $74.25. Actually, that's the first time off, and that's minus an extra $6. So, they'd be around $80 right now for a Lucid 50K. I think those are probably going to be your two cheapest on the 50Ks. Yeah, 44. Lucid's amazing. Lucid, for those of you guys who haven't tried Lucid yet, they're amazing. They're 1 day to pass on their tests, 5 days to pay out minimum, 35% consistency in the funded, in the sim funded, you cannot withdraw until you're over the buffer. You can only withdraw profits that are over the buffer. So you do have to, I think the buffer on the 50Ks is 2,100. Yeah, and there's no monthly rebill either. It's a one-time payment with Lucid. Really good firm. You're allowed up to 5 accounts. Extremely good firm. Payouts are nearly instant. All my payouts have come within, you know, a few seconds of request. They are probably the best of the newer prop firms out there, in my opinion. So if you haven't given them a try yet, they're definitely one to look into. Really good prop firm. Their transition to live is a really good deal as well. So I can't recommend them enough. I can't say enough good things about them. They aren't going to be one of those get rich quick props. They do have limits on what you can request on payouts. Yeah, guys, any of you who have any of you guys who have not tried Lucid, definitely give them a shot. They're gonna probably be, I mean, they're gonna compete. They're gonna be right up there with the My Funded Futures, the Top Steps, the Apexes, the Take Profit Traders. They're gonna be right there. They're gonna be right there. What's up, Dave? Those of you that are in the vertical format, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. That is the horizontal stream. It is a lot better viewing experience. That's where everybody's hanging out as well. We've got about 100 people in here right now. Invisible. They use a lot of different platforms. Ninja Trader, Trade-of-8, TradingView, Quant Tower, Motive Wave. So you've got a wide variety of trading platforms you can use. I think Sierra charts as well, maybe even. Dave, you're on the phone watching the Cowgirls play? Oh, okay. Bruce, they do allow Sierra charts too? Yeah, that's what I thought. They've got a lot of different connections. They did allow Project X, but well, we all know how that goes. We all know the story there. What's up, Modern Family Home Improvements? How are you? Man, my voice is toast. Toast, guys. Wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. But tell me, how'd you guys trade today? How'd you get on? Yeah, Mason, you can still, I don't know. I wouldn't go Project X on anything other than Top Step from here on out. Any new accounts you guys purchase, I would select a different platform. Just to be safe, so you're not going through the headache of having to move, you know, across platforms. Harrison, you shorted the euro because you thought everything would puke. Invisible made 1,200 on your funding ticks. Nice, nice. Romeo up 495 on the Asia session. That's nice. I haven't taken a trade. I have not taken a trade. All right, just over 100 people in the stream right now. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I apologize for the lack of vocal cords, but we ball. I guess, you know, game on. Yeah, JB, that happens sometimes. You know, sometimes it takes multiple attempts to get that one good trade. But that one good trade makes it all worth it sometimes. You know, for me, it's a lot of break evens that I take on the way to the big trade a lot. It generally takes a few attempts. But yeah, Oh, nice, Scalpish. Oh, yeah, guys, that is the other thing. Thank you for bringing that up, Scalpish. They also do not make you wait in the transition from your test account to your sim funded. You can upgrade right away and trade that same day. There's no waiting time. No waiting till the end of the day. None of that. So you can literally pass the test. I mean, on your first trade, if you get a good trade, and immediately being funded as well. Maybe not immediate. It might take them 10 minutes to set up the account, but pretty quick. Red, 35% consistency. 5 days, 5 winning trading days of $100 or more, but you can't request until you're over the buffer. And you can only request, I think it's 50% of your total balance, maybe. Something like that. But their transition to a live account's really good. Like if you guys are consistent and can hold on to accounts, I think of all the props, they probably have the best transition to live right now. They're really good. Really good prop. Yeah, Red, some people cry about the 35% consistency. You know, honestly, that shouldn't be that big of a deal. You know, if it's 5 days to pay out anyway, 35% consistency shouldn't be that big of a deal. They do have direct to fundeds as well. Yeah, invisible. That's right. Yep. 5 winning trading days, 35% consistency. Minimum profit day can be no less than $100. But yeah, like consistency shouldn't be that big of a deal to you guys. If it is, that tells me probably one of two things. Either you're YOLOing and gambling and trying to just get there, or it shouldn't be that big of a deal. And if that's the case, I guess just go to, what's up, Aldo? How are you? I guess just go to Take Profit Trader or get yourself a My Funded Futures 50K scale right now, or go with Trade Day. But even then, you got 5 days in the test, and you got consistency built in there. Oh, Caleb, nice. Although I'm good, aside from not having vocal cords right now, I'm great. Like, that's a crazy thing, guys, is I feel fine. I feel absolutely fine. Just no pipes. No pipes. Get a tequila? No, I had tea with honey earlier. Yeah, Modern Family Home Improvements. Direct to funded means you skip the evaluation portion or the test portion of the account. However, direct to fundeds are obviously going to be more expensive. B, the direct to fundeds have a lower consistency target. So the direct to fundeds on Lucid are 20% consistency. And I know it used to be 8 days to pay out. They might have lowered that down on the direct to fundeds. I don't know. You would just have to look at their rules. Bob. What's up, Daniel? How are you? But yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in, we are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening, live on stream. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into that drawing. We'll announce the winner at the end of the stream. I'm not sure what time that's going to be. We'll see how long my voice lasts. You will need to be present in order to claim the prize, though. So just make sure you're here. It won't be any earlier than, I'm going to say 10 p.m. but it could be as late as 11 p.m. What's up, Mr. Burp? How are you? What's up, Kelly? Yeah, guys, if you could smash that thumbs up button for me. Thanks, Daniel. Appreciate you. I always forget all the streamer things. Oh, nice, Mr. Burp. Nice. Up 1,700 on the Lucid. Nice. Dave, the memes of Dan Campbell's play calling are brutal today. It was pretty bad last night. But I don't think it really mattered what he would have called, Dave. I don't think it would have mattered what plays he called. Jared Goff couldn't hit the broadside of a barn last night. All right, Martin. Enjoy your evening. We'll catch you soon. Or thumbs down if you think you'll lose the giveaway. Okay, we are kind of just stuck here on NQ. What's gold doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, gold. We're going to go back below 4K. Hey, what's up, NT? How are you? Good morning from Thailand. How's Thailand treating you? I always forget that we got viewers from all around the world, and it's like different time because it's going on 9 p.m. my time, right? Like it's getting close to bedtime. I feel bad for anybody just tuning into my streams for the first time, right? And having to hear my voice this way. If you want to know what my voice really sounds like, go to a live stream from like 2 weeks ago. Ignacio from Chile. Nice. Nice. What's up, Ian? From Australia? Okay, yeah, we're worldwide. We are worldwide. Hawaii? Oh, a little jealous. South. Yeah, okay, Red. All right, Red. Red, you are a world traveler these days, brother. I mean, just last week you were in Guam. Aldo, you're in Cancun? Oh, nice. Nice. Mason in North Carolina. Okay, what are we doing here? Where is interest stacked? Got some orders back up there around 200. Got a little bit to the downside. Let's see here. Kind of already filled the... I want to say we probably have more upside here. But I do have this area marked as resistance as well. ES is kind of holding above psych level 6,700 right now. There's not really any gaps that need filled anymore. Down here, you kind of have one from 820 to like just below 800. I guess if it really got heavy. All right, here's what we're going to do. All right. Gamer's Paradise. I normally start the stream at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. We typically go till about 10:30 or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. Obviously, my voice is gone, so I don't know how late we're going to go tonight. But we normally will go till at least 10:30 p.m. on a normal night. We'll see if we can get a pullback towards VWAP at all. If it does give one of those good moves down, like towards VWAP, and holds above, I'll probably try the long on the trend line break. Hopefully we're not just range bound all night. But welcome, guys. We got about 130 people in here now. Welcome to the stream. If you're just tuning in, we are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening at the end of the stream. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into that drawing. We'll announce the winner at the end of the stream. You will need to be present in order to claim the prize. I just don't know what time it's going to be at. It'll be towards the end of the stream. We'll see how long my vocal cords last this evening. All right, let me make sure the giveaway is still going. See how many people we got in. All right, we got 113 people in right now. It's about how many people are in the stream. So, we're good. Oh, guys, we're about to go over 5.4K subs, too. Didn't even realize. We are right there. We are right there. So if you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. My name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. Live stream every Sunday through Thursday starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the stream. I apologize once again for the horrible sounding voice. It normally doesn't sound like this. Hopefully tomorrow night I will sound a little bit better. What's up, Slick Rick? How are you? Yeah, everywhere. I mean, my overall bias is actually bearish until the NQ's back above 25,030-ish. Back above here. You know, like back above all this stuff. Better sound helium voice. I have no control over that, Daniel, unfortunately. That just kind of happens. That just kind of happens. Man, kind of already missed the long move here. All this volume starting to put in rejection a little bit. How are you guys trading tonight, by the way? Were you able to catch some of the downside and the move back up? Chat kind of quiet tonight. You guys must be hyper focused. What's up, Mr. One? How are you? Everybody's reading the charts. Everybody's focused up. Hey, thanks for the sub, Sergio. Appreciate you. Hey guys, we're there. We got to 5.4. We got there. See if we can get to 5.5. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Varma, you're waiting for Bitcoin to break down? Yeah, Bitcoin can break down all the way to 40K. That'd be great. Bitcoin can go all the way to 40K. Hope they stay after the giver. Oh no, Raul. It'll happen. Like that's gonna happen every giveaway that you're gonna do on these things is I mean that, you know, people see giveaway and they just subscribe, they enter, and then if they don't win, they peace out. And that's fine. You know, it is what it is. I hope they stay too. I hope they enjoy the stream. I wonder if Sailor will DCA. Yeah, Caleb. I mean, there's not many people on at this time. What do you got? You got a Stock Tiger maybe? Oh, nice, NT. Nice and a good chilly morning over there in Thailand. Hey, what's up, KDP? How are you? Ignacio, it's terrible. No, like having no tone. I mean, if I really whisper, I can get a little bit of tone out of my voice. However, as soon as I try to like talk normally, it's gone. It's gone. Con Divergence. Do I have any advice for someone that wants to start streaming? Like trading streamer? Is that what you're asking about? I need an AI voice render and a less hologram design. I need to auto-tune the voices like a radio commercial. Yeah, it's bad. There's nothing I can do about it, guys. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. Nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. Roderick, currently on day 3. FOD profit target, loving how disciplined I've finally become after 5 years of trading. Nice, Roderick. GG's. Nice. Con Divergence. As far as advice for streaming, I would say first and foremost, make sure that you are make sure you are a profitable trader first and foremost. Secondly, be prepared for a lot of noise. There's a lot more distractions in your trading when you're streaming, for sure. It definitely brings in a whole nother element to trading. It's a lot more difficult than it seems. So just be prepared for that. The transition going from just sitting at your charts by yourself to being in front of a camera and having to pay attention to a chat. Make sure your streaming software is working. Make sure the sound is good. Make sure your lights are good. Make sure the camera is good. All that extra stuff. Plus, you got hundreds of people giving signals in the chat as well. That creates a lot of noise. So just be prepared that there is going to be a transition period. So I would say if your trading is not to the point where you're profitable, I would highly recommend against it. If you're asking me, you know, maybe try it out with just your boys for a little while, for a month or two before you start, but also be prepared that it's a long road. Like it is, my channel is kind of like, I got extremely lucky. It took 10 months to get to where my channel is right now. And that's relatively quick in the grand scheme of things. So just be prepared. There is some downside to it as well. But go for it. You know, if it's something you want to do, by all means, go for it. But just be prepared that it is difficult. It is a difficult transition. NT, I trade on Quantower trading platform. This is Quantower. How much would you be able to make with 200 users live? Soup. Okay, so for reference, guys, off of ad revenue, every month, my channel makes $160 to $180 a month. Just if you just want some reference. So it's not enough to quit your day job, in other words. You got to have 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. But if you're talking just off of YouTube, like what YouTube pays us, it's $160 to $180 a month. Yeah, Harrison, you know what's strange is I used to do collab streams a lot. They always performed worse than my solo streams. They always performed worse. Whenever I've done collab streams, I thought they would be better, but they aren't because there's a lot more I don't know, it becomes noisy, people talking over each other, you know? Like there has to be some structure in place. I think that's what there is structure with places like Top Step and My Funded Futures. But yeah. What's up, Zipster? No, I'm not under the weather. I just lost my voice. And the throat's not sore, nothing. I feel fine. There's no temperature, nothing. I feel good. I just don't have a voice. Just don't have a voice. I know, I feel bad for everybody that's tuning in that's new here. The voice is gone. It's gone. It is gone. If you are just tuning in, we are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening. !Wes in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. We'll announce the winner at the end of the stream. I'm not sure what time that will be. You will need to be present in order to claim your prize, though. So just make sure you're here. Zipster, no, my voice has been gone since last week. Last week. But yeah, it's brutal. Brutal. All right, Naz, come on down. Come on down. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, but I'll just say VIR. VIR, no, the heat map does not come with your Lucid account. Lucid does offer level 2 CME data for like, I want to say it's like $13 a month or something like that. Bitcoin's finally breaking down to 91K. Good. Like I said, it's got another 50 to go. All the way down to 40K. Man, we are kind of just stuck chopping back and forth on the NAS. Kind of just stuck. Yeah, Design, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you, Design. All the way to zero. Go all the way to zero. All the cryptos. Go all the way to zero. Yeah, Harrison, I'm with you. I make the majority of my money on NQ. Occasionally, I'll trade ES or YM, but the majority of my money is on, it comes out of NQ for sure. No, Daniel, so the Ponzi can end. So the Ponzi can end. That's why. All right, are we going to get that breakdown now? Or are we going to be stuck? That is the question. Bitcoin and NQ breakdown? Yeah. Yeah, NQ needs to go as well. All right, let's give it a shot. We got the trend line break. I realize VWAP is right below us. But we will just target like just below 890. We'll see if we just want to chop. I'll risk it. They do correlate. Probably a little late on the entry here. The only thing I don't like is we had that gap sitting there at like 914-ish. And it looks like it's trying to hold. Hey, thanks, Red. Appreciate you. All of you that just received a gifted membership from Red. Hey, thanks, Red. Appreciate you. Guys, Red goes live in about 10 minutes here. Feel free to check out his channel as well. Really good streamer. Cool dude. If you haven't subscribed to him or checked him out, he normally goes like 9:30 to... 9:30 to, I don't even know what time you go till, Red. Midnight or something like that. But those of you that just received a membership, join the Level Up Discord. Link your YouTube account to your Discord profile, and you'll receive access to my pre-market trading plans each morning on NQ. Appreciate you, Red. Enjoy your stream, brother. Wow, what a bounce. Right off my entry. Taking the L right on the chin here. Real quick like. All right, down 375. Not too bad. Design, it happens to me every time. Every time. It's okay, though. 375 is not bad. That's recoverable. Little fake out. It's all right. I shouldn't have taken that trade anyway. Trading it down into VWAP after a break above VWAP like that. I'm so nice. I don't know, Soup. I just treat other people how I would want to be treated, you know? I know you guys tune into these other like streamers, especially in the trading world, and either you're made to feel stupid or get talked down to, or you get completely ignored. I never wanted that to be this place. Glad your computer wouldn't load in time to catch that trade. It happened fast. That happened fast. Oh man. No, Raul, I don't use tick charts. Just time-based charts. It's what works for me. Yeah, Susu, I mean, I want everybody to feel heard, right? Like, I know how it is when you guys tune into these other streamers' live streams. You know, you ask questions that don't get answered, you get ignored. Or if they do read your question, they make you feel stupid for asking. I know how it is. I never wanted it to be that, wow, I couldn't have been more wrong about that trade, huh? Wow. Immediately wrong. But that is kind of how you want to be wrong. It's just be immediately wrong. What's up, Glenn? How are you? First of all, Glenn, you're in the vertical stream. Feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. The horizontal stream is where everybody's hanging out at. It's a much better viewing experience. No, I'm not in South Carolina. I did move. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky. I did used to live in Charleston, South Carolina, though, and went to college at Charleston. No, Massive. It wasn't watching the game. I lost my voice last week. Last week yelling it in queue. Yeah, cheers, Raul. Like, look, guys, the bigger streamers, they've been down this road. Like, I get it. You know, you're answering the same questions a lot. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've answered the question, what's your strategy, or what trading platform are you on? You know, hundreds. Those of you that tune in every night see the same questions over and over and over. But a lot of people are new here. A lot of people are beginning traders. You know, they're trying to learn. And I think it's terrible that, you know, there's not enough people that care in the industry. There's some out there that do, that will answer questions. But for the most part, we are in a a pretty sleazy, slimy niche. Yeah, Harrison, that happened quick. How many times have I answered the what's my name question? What do you mean? Like, what's my name? My name is Wes. No, I don't ever wonder that about feuds. Okay, Naz. I just got done dirty, guys. I just got done dirty. I think I just got done dirty. Oh, yuck. Oh, that's so dirty. Oh well. Tasira, I know. I know. They're watching me. Yeah. Man. I wish my voice was a little bit better. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. VIX is still above 20 right now as we speak. What did it close at today? Like 22, 23, somewhere around there? VIX closed at 22. A visit to value area low is coming. I don't know. I just tried it. Yeah, Ignacio, I did that earlier. I definitely had the tea and honey. All right, there's officially nothing that I like in here on the Nas. Absolutely nothing. Really don't like where gold is either. I mean, this is a bounce spot for gold. But man, that's a scary it's a scary long as well. What, you want this? Monkey of all monkeys. Technically, this isn't Bookmap. This is Dom Surface on Quant Tower. It's like if that. Do you want to see what it looks like? What's up, A Patriots? I feel fine. Oh, nice, Kyle. Congrats. Congrats on the payouts. GG's for Kyle in the chat. Had a weekend full of whippets. He's good. Whippets. I haven't heard of those in a long time. It's been a long time. Are those even still around? I know, Dom. I know. I thought we were gonna get the breakdown. The kids do them now. They call them Galaxy Cats. What? Oh goodness. All right, we got about 180 people in here now. Yes, guys, I have lost my voice if you're just tuning in. I apologize. I apologize for sounding like this. We are giving away a Lucid 50K test account this evening, live on stream. !West in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. You will need to be here in order to claim the prize, though, at the end of the stream. I'm not sure what time we're going to do it at. It'll probably be somewhere around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard, so about an hour or so. But yeah, I apologize for the horrible sounding voice, or the lack of, I guess. Oh, Francois, don't tell me that. Don't tell me the voice sounds better here with no voice. It's just raspy. No, I appreciate you guys showing up, man. Like, the channel's growing like crazy lately because of you guys. I can't thank you all enough. You know, we went over 5.4K subs tonight. We haven't really gotten that many this evening. New subs. Like 15 new subs tonight. But what's up, Omarito? How are you? West ASMR Trading Whispers. I mean, if if I really whisper, I can get a little bit of tone out of my voice. But like I said, talking normally is like, anytime I try to project anything. You see correlation between loss. Actually, this, if it stays like this, this will be the this will be my first like red night on stream in a long time. A very long time, actually. Rock and roll voice. Is there any link for the giveaway? Mr. One, just type !Wes in the chat. That'll enter you into the drawing for the giveaway. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, maybe the mic went Mickey Mouse on me. We'll see here in a second. We'll see what you guys say. What's up, Chris? How are you? Oh gosh, I can't take the same trade, guys. I really can't take the same trade. Have it snap back on me again? No way. I don't like where we're at all. No helium, no fun? Alright. Need to get a girl to help me talk on the other side of the screen. I mean, if you guys want to give your favorite trading streamer a holler and say, hey, Wes is streaming right now, go help him out. You know? Go help a brother out. Can I set up a demo challenge for viewers for a chance to win a straight to funded? I mean, I don't have any direct to fundeds to give away. If that's a thing, let me know. I don't know of anybody who's giving away direct to fundeds. You got Tory Trades on the line? All right, Daniel, go ahead and give Tory Trades a call. See if she'll help a brother out. No, Joe, you're good. You're good. Those of you that are in the vertical stream, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. Yeah, I've never received any direct to fundeds to give away. That's for sure. And these props don't let me. I've asked before if I could purchase accounts to give away, and they said that they don't allow that. Free trend line with every 5. You guys would be bad. Can you imagine? Oh, come on, Naz. What's up, Omnius? How are you? Dude. Dude. This one fake out candle ripper got me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, you all were witnesses to it, right? I mean, you all saw it. What's up, Jonathan? How are you? Oh, brutal. Are you kidding me? Like you actually have to be kidding me. I mean, I guess I would be interested in like a, I don't know, like a 910 retest, 908, something like that. But jeez, that's bad. That's bad. Nah, design. It's gone. We're going down to probably down here somewhere. Probably somewhere in here. If I had to guess, this is probably the move. Actually, probably right into here. I'll say right here. So like 820 to 800. Somewhere in there. Yeah, Paul, that was brutal. That was brutal. Yeah, monkey of all monkeys, you called it. You definitely called it. GG's. Jonathan, today was a tough one for you. Today, during RTH, was great for me, right? Like I said, I made a little over 4K today, so obviously $375 loss tonight doesn't hurt me too bad, but yeah, you definitely had to realize that the range was wide. And you had to be able to spot the highs and lows of the range early, for sure. Luckily, the key level that I picked there was good movement around it. So I was able to play the longs above and the shorts below. All right, guys, we almost got, what do we got? We almost have 200 people in here right now. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tolerating my terrible voice this evening. Like I said, if you're just getting here, !West will enter you into the drawing for the 50K Lucid test account. I'll be announcing the winner at about 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Just make sure you're here to claim your prize. If you do win, no voice means good job. Yeah, it's kind of bad because like when you're streaming, you kind of need a voice, right? You kind of need the voice. I want nothing to do with this long bounce. I kind of want the short side. I feel like this little gap down here is probably going to get traded at some point. I hope we're not range bound all night. I'm looking at ES right now at 66.94 as well. That's kind of a sticky spot for ES. What's up, Sean? How are you? Fabio, I mean, I'm not going to buy this. I'm not going to buy this. That's some pretty heavy selling. That got pretty heavy real quick. You might be able to get 10 points out of it back up to 90, but I wouldn't target much more than that. Oh, you're targeting 760, Kelly? You're going all the way down? Yeah, I think the long plays are, I don't know. I feel like any upside right now is just short covering with the way that it's moving. You know, short covering and re-entering. You got a lot of profit taking going on right now. If we can get that move back up to VWAP, I'm not opposed to trying the short again. I just don't know if we're going to get there. 890 looks like it might be the rejection spot. Or it could just flush. Could just get really heavy right now too. And just leave me behind. It's brutal to be able to see it and just have one little rip back up. Stop me out. Oh, brutal. Unfortunately now, guys, I can't chase. It would be a FOMO entry for me down here. You know? Like, I'm not going to... I think I know where it's going, but this would be me FOMOing into a position. Yeah, Sean, I mean, Sean, I feel fine. Like, guys, I feel fine. I don't have a temperature. I don't feel sick. The throat's not sore. I just have no voice. The voice is gone. MP. If you look down here, there's this gap that hasn't been tested yet. The ICT traders would call this, what, a fair value gap, I guess. I just call it a gap. So somewhere in here. I mean, there's definitely interest up here, all the way up towards 25K, but I feel like this is the draw right now. No, Marito, not around in here. It's a little too jumpy. It could go either way. It could snap back up. It could snap down. I'm not comfortable entering a trade in here. James, what's up? How are you? Sorry, I just looked over at the other chat. A 50K evaluation. So ignore the 50K portion of it. 50K is just the size of the account that the prop firms label it, right? Really what they're giving you is a test to see if you can gain $3,000 before you lose $2,000. So really the size of your account is how much drawdown you have, not necessarily $50,000. But yeah, James, have you ever traded with a futures prop firm? Yeah, James, it's just what they label it. You know, most of these prop firms have a 50K evaluation, a 100K evaluation, and a 150K evaluation. Each of those have their own profit targets with amount of drawdown. Oh, James, you're really trying to learn how to do it? Okay, I got you. So you're just beginning. James, feel free. You're in the vertical stream right now. Feel free to click on the other live stream in my channel, the one that does not have the word mobile in the title. And that's where everybody's hanging out at tonight. And most people are chatting. There's about 180 people in there right now. But feel free to ask any questions. This community is amazing about answering beginning questions and all that. Really good traders in my stream, actually. Better traders than me. Oh, nice, James. You think you joined the Discord? Yeah, nice. Yeah, there's good traders in there too. Really good traders in there too. It gets a little quiet at night because most of them are US based. What does ICT mean? Anybody in the chat want to answer that question? What it stands for is inner circle trader. There it goes. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. I knew it was coming. What it really stands for is inner circle trader. It's a guy that has virtually redefined the online trading space. You can YouTube search him. So funny. You guys crack me up, man. Crack me up, dude. Oh, I can't get enough. I know what I started. I knew it was coming as soon as I said it. I thought somebody might take it seriously. Chris took it seriously. Chris answered correctly. But yeah, I knew that was coming. 100%. Oh, look at my trade, guys. Brutal. That's a little tilting, huh? Yeah, just your casual 50-pointer on globex. That just goes by the wayside with one 5-minute candle. Sure. Sure. Oh, goodness. So tell me, guys, would what happened to me right there? Would that tilt you? Would that have you clicking buttons? Out of curiosity, and answer honestly. Would what happened to me right there put you on tilt? Yeah. Grumpy already did, too late. Already clicked buttons. Now I jump right back in on it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that one was pretty dirty, I will say. That one was pretty dirty. You're clicking buttons on my behalf. No, if you guys got in on that re-entry, more power to you. GG's. I'm happy for you. Yeah, honestly, that's what saves me. I'm just going to give you guys the heads up. A lot of that is the reason why I'm profitable, right? I can take those bad beats like that on the chin and not immediately re-enter. I can't tell you how many traders I've watched do it and just get chopped to oblivion. But that's also why I have that rule that I'm not going to execute from the same price twice. If it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. On to the next. I'll pick another level to execute from, and I'll wait for price to get there. You know, for me, it's no longer a skill. Like, trading isn't so much. I mean, yes, you have to have some skill in order to trade profitably, right? Like, you got to know somewhat what you're doing. You got to have a proven strategy. But at the end of the day, risk management is king. Like, it just is king. And having a solid set of rules is imperative. And being able to follow them. You know, you kind of have to have that discipline. Otherwise, it's a losing battle. Hey, what's up, Crawbillies? How are you? Crawbillies, by the way, you're in the vertical stream. Feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. It's the horizontal feed. That's where most people are hanging out at. It's a lot better viewing experience, too. You'll get to see my full monitor and everything over there. I'm kind of lacking on screen real estate on the shorts feed. But feel free to click on over. I'm doing good, Crawbillies. Don't have a voice. So if it's our first time meeting, I definitely sound different normally than I do right now. My voice just got normal. Did it? Did it crack into normal design? I don't know. It still sounds like raspy to me. Hey, what's up, Nicola? Yeah, I appreciate all you first timers here. Hopefully you tune in. My name is Wes. Nice to meet you. Some people are saying I sound normal. Other people are saying I sound strained. Hopefully it comes back. Chris, I would suggest MES for a beginner. MNQ is going to be a little more volatile. The money's going to be a little bit better on MNQ. Crawbillies, just go on my YouTube channel, click the, go under content, click the live tab, and there will be 2 live streams that are running currently. Click the one that does not have mobile in the title, the word mobile. Trump has the same voice issue. Oh goodness. Nicola, no, I trade during regular trading hours. I only stream during the Asia session. Like when I stream during the New York session right now, it just doesn't perform as well. Like the stream doesn't have as many viewers. And YouTube hates that. They hate bad analytics. There you go, Crawbillies. You're good. You're good, brother. I sound like a character from Rick and Morty. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Those of you that are in shorts, congratulations. This is probably where I would be targeting. I would be targeting like 820-ish. Mr. Burp, my trades were good. My trades were good. I showed it a little bit earlier, but I can show you. Really, I made all my money on one trade today. One trade. This was my trade from earlier today. And full target did get hit. So I was long just above 25,030. Targeting just front running kind of that 25,200 level. Full target got hit. It was like 3.1K. A little over. Chris, on mobile it's hard to read anything. Yeah, it does get it does get hard to read anything on mobile. I'm trading NQ. Ticker symbol NQ, Nasdaq futures. Design gold. Gold might break down towards that 4K level for sure. Wait, what? What launch point trading ban design knob or be botted? What? No, don't bot me. My channel's been botted enough. It's been botted enough recently. Crawbilly's got to be proud of that. Yeah, that's a good trade. That's a big trade for me, for sure. I'm not one of these guys that ever like has these $40,000, $50,000 trades. My biggest trade ever is $26,000, and that was on a swing position on my personal account. Nicola, I'm on Quantower trading platform. Yeah, Julio, it was one NQ. One NQ. One E mini contract on the Nasdaq. Yeah, gold looks like it's breaking down. You use Attis, Nicola? Nice. Jeff, go Bears. Yeah, your Bears are in first place right now. For sure. For sure. Unexpectedly. No, hey Patriots, I don't do live pre-market streams. They get access to my pre-market trading plans. It's just it's my way of paying it back for those that support the channel. Eventually I'd like to do something like that though, but this is what they get access to. You know, I'll give a little rundown about my thoughts about what happened overnight. I'll give my trade idea, my trade plan, and then they'll have a picture of my chart with levels and what I'm looking at. But I go into every market open with a trade plan, with a trade idea. You know, I'll pick a key level. I'll say if it holds above, you know, I'm long biased. If it drops below, I'm short biased. But those are out generally about an hour before market open. Patriots, do I mark up ES? Yeah, I mean, I haven't marked it up in a while though. I'm not gonna lie. The last level I have here on the current symbol on the current contract is actually 66.92, but it's looking like you could probably put a level here at 66.70. And obviously one 66.59 down to 66.55. I would have to go back in time in order to find something else though. Down below. All my levels are above. But yeah, I do mark it up. Hey, Kyle, thanks for the 5 gifteds. Those of you that just received those gifteds, if you join Level Up Discord and link your YouTube account to your Discord profile, you will have access to my pre-market trading plans on NQ each morning. Congratulations. Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate you. Oh, freaking Naz. Oh, my goodness, guys. 100-point trade. Carl, 1K viewers live. Oh, yeah, we've been botted. We've been botted for sure. There's nothing I can do about it now. We don't have 1,000 viewers, guys. There's no possible way. There's no way. We've been botted. Yeah, cheers, Raul. Thank you. Brutal. No, there's no way we have 1K viewers. We're up to 1.3 now. You watch, we'll be up to like 7K here in a few minutes. Yeah, we've been botted. We've been botted. We've warned YouTube about it. It's an issue. I don't know, Mr. Burp. Either somebody hates me that much and is trying to sabotage the channel, or sounds like Mr. Launchpoint Trading might be responsible. No, hey Patriots, we've reached out to YouTube and there's no way to do anything about it, unfortunately. There's no way to do anything about it. So we just kind of have to they said they aren't going to do anything. They said they're monitoring it, but they know about it. They definitely know about it. But they even said there's nothing they can do on their end. Launchpoint Trading? Wait, you botted my channel because of Design Knob? Wait, why? I don't understand. Because I didn't ban somebody? I don't know. I don't know, A-Patriots. Because if they bought, A-Patriots, if they bought your channel enough, YouTube can shut your channel down. Julio, I'm a big shot now. Yeah, there no somebody botted us. But what happens is a lot of streamers they try to the reason they do that is because a lot of these streamers do go and like purchase subscribers or views or likes, you know, in order to fictitiously make their channel look bigger than what it is. Um, and that's they're trying to combat that, so that's why they shut your channel down. Yeah, it'll probably keep going up. I mean, it'll probably keep going up. Smash that thumbs up button for me, guys, if you could. Um, oh man, I'm still kind of guys. I'm disappointed about that short. Are you kidding me with this one green candle here? The one fake out? Brutal. That would have been a 100-pointer. That would have been a 100-point short. Massive trade. Just hit 3,000. Oh gosh, here we go again. Here we go again. Guys, we are doing a 50K Lucid test account giveaway this evening. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into that drawing. We'll announce the winner at the end of the stream. Thanks for tuning in tonight for all you real people that are here that aren't bots. I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. Robert, where was the stop? So I was short from just below 920, and my stop was at just above 930. I wasn't willing to risk a ton. Would be better just to restart the stream. I'm a real American, Pete. No, it'll go down, guys. Like, if I restart the stream now, the giveaway will go away. There's people who didn't tune in or who aren't tuned in currently that have entered the giveaway. I want them to have the opportunity. Glass half full. Does a futures account require a margin account? They do require you to have margin. Yes, there are margin requirements. Oh my goodness, 100+ point trade now. Oh, that's tilting. Exclamation point Wes in the chat, Nicola. We'll enter you into that giveaway. Let me check how many, man, my voice. You guys made me think it was going away and I was sounding good. I mean, we're good on the giveaway. So it's just the views that are up there. We're good, guys. We're good. Yeah, El Capitan. I mean, I know. I have to sit it out. Unfortunately, that means no more trades for me tonight, probably. I just have to. I got that clouded judgment now. I mean, I called this move, yes. You know, I kind of knew this was where it was going when we were up here. But at anything now, I'm just chasing. No, Cameron. So, like, all my analysis is done based on higher time frames. So because I'm not showing, I don't have it marked on all my charts. Because each of these charts is a different account. You'll notice, like, this is Lucid, this is Top Step, this is Personal, this is My Fun and Futures. So I don't mark up all my different connections on my charts. I really just mark up one chart so I know where price is. But I'm a support and resistance trader. I was a little late on my entry, and that's kind of what screwed me down here, right? I'm looking for shorts off the bottoms of these levels and longs off the top side of support, rejections of resistance. And I kind of got caught somewhere down in here. And this one green candle stopped me out. So the trade worked out, right? Like, we rejected resistance, price held below eventually, and it came down to the next level. and is actually cracking through the level as we speak. So now you kind of have a break and retest from possibly some more downside. Chicken trader. Almost every strategy, unless you're like a scalper, is some form of support and resistance in how you define it. Most entries and exits are based on that. For me, I'm looking for higher time frame, multiple tests of price. I.e. a lot of wicks on the higher time frames. Later, Doug. For me, I would be looking for a retest of like 855-ish. Retest here. These wicks. So that would be my retest short entry if it was to hold below. Does that make sense? You got multiple downside wicks here. You got a downside retest here and a pump off that level. So this would be where sellers would want to keep price below, in my opinion, if we're going to see more downside. You'll know whether you're right or wrong relatively quickly. So your risk is kind of limited. We only need one test. Daily lows. Hey, Pine. Thanks for the gifteds. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, guys, if you haven't checked out Pine Tree Trader, he streams live before me. He goes live just before 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. Really cool dude. Really good trader. Feel free to give his stream a watch. Say hello to Pine Tree Trader in the chat. Pine, I lost my voice, brother. I have not had a voice in like 5 days. For those of you that received gifted memberships, make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. Join Level Up Discord and you'll have access to my pre-market trading plans each morning on Level Up. Thank you, Pine. I appreciate you. Oh, I've tried the tea and honey thing. It just is what it is. Unfortunately, when you're a streamer, you kind of have to talk. You have to talk. Pine, if you're looking at my screen, I was short from like right here earlier after we broke this little trend down and we rejected resistance that I had marked. And I got wicked out on this one green candle and got tilted and missed out on all of this. Brother. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, Robert, it is. It's completely random. For those of you that don't have gifted memberships, like the ability to receive gifts, it's in your settings on your YouTube account. You need to have that turn on in order to receive those gifted memberships. Oh, man. Brutal. Brutal. The Nas did me dirty. Oh, Pine, also, if you notice, I'm currently being botted. There's zero chance I have 3.6K viewers in here right now, by the way. Zero chance. Hey, what's up, Art? How are you? Do I ever trade gold? I mean, I marked the chart up. Gold will... I don't know what I'm doing on gold, so I would get wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. I don't trust myself on gold. Right now, I would probably be shorting down into 39.75. We're kind of back in the chop range. So I would imagine the next stop's probably going to be somewhere down here. Yeah, dude, how many viewers do we have right now? Or does YouTube say that we have right now? Let's see here. 3.7K watching right now. I mean, hey, if that's the case, I am the largest globex streamer in the space right now. I am the largest globex trader in the space right now, if that's the case. You know? Yeah, Pine. I mean, come on, brother. Pine, you got to get those numbers up, bro. So ridiculous. This happens to me every stream now, Pine. Someone is botting my channel. Reached out to YouTube, the whole nine. Oh, it's crazy. Guys, we got about 15 minutes, so we're going to do that giveaway. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into the drawing for the 50K Lucid test account. Make sure that you get your entries in. We currently have... Golly, my voice. You guys have to be sick of hearing my voice the way that it is right now. We currently have 226 people entered. I have no idea how many people are in here right now because we typically have about 250 to 300 people in here and during the streams. So decent for a globex stream. Like our views are pretty good. But yeah, it's not 3.7K. It's not 3.7K. Who's a competitive streamer? Who's a competitor streamer design? You mean Pine? Yeah, Pine. If you're talking about Pine, Pine's not botting my channel, bro. Pine's a brother. Pine's a brother and a friend. Oh, Launch Point. Launch Point. You think? Launch Point is a streamer. It should help you. No, Chief Pepsi, what happens is they go back after the stream and they adjust. They adjust for the botting. So they'll remove all those views is what happens. Yeah, Tessiro, but that doesn't... I mean, if he's a streamer, why would he bot my channel? Because I didn't ban somebody, you know? Roderick, if a bot wins the account, they have to claim the prize still. That's why we limit the time that people have in order to respond. Pipster, YouTube can actually, they can actually shut down your channel for it. Because there are people out there who purchase views and likes and subscribers for their channel. And it's all fake. So it's like fake analytics. No, Clip. Yeah, YouTube can shut you down for it, for sure. So if you ever see like a channel... Yeah, cheers, Tim. Oh, nice. Congratulations. Congratulations, Tim. Unpaired Electron. How do I pick winner? I do it through Nightbot. Nightbot actually picks the winner. I'll pull it over live on stream in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Mo. Well, yeah, we'll pick the winner here in about 10 minutes, guys. Those of you that are in the vertical stream, if you click on the other live stream on my channel, the one that does not have the word mobile in the title, that is the better viewing experience. That's where most people are hanging out and chatting, just so you know. If you're in the shorts feed, I probably look like a crazy person talking to everybody over in the horizontal stream chat. But yeah, feel free to click on that other live stream on my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, gold is kind of doing what I thought it would here. We're probably coming down here on gold, guys. If I had to guess, that's the logical spot on gold. It's where we have found support multiple times before. Nas. I'm just not interested. Mo, how much do I spend on prop accounts per month? 0 anymore. 0 anymore. I trade really slow, Mo. Like, I build my accounts very, very slowly. I've got 11 funded accounts right now. I've got no evaluations going currently. None. I don't sit here and make a ton of money though either. You know, I don't have $20,000 days. My days are generally around, you know, like $800 to $1,000 a day, and I don't copy trade my accounts. I trade them all individually. Am I profitable? Obviously, yes. Is this what I do for a living? Yes. But I'm like low 6 figures annually. Very, very slow and steady. The music's gone. Here, I got you. Thanks, Daniel. Appreciate you. I got you. Yeah, Frey, I mean, I'm low 6 figures annually. It is what I do for a living. Obviously, Uncle Sam takes a good chunk of that. But Art, I mainly trade the 50Ks. All my accounts are 50Ks, and I have a couple 25Ks, but they're all 50Ks. But I just build them really, really slowly. Really slowly. Yeah, Mo, it's on a rotation kind of. I don't really take any like huge payouts. You know, I've got a couple take profit trade. There's just nothing worth bragging about, you know. Take profit trader, I aim for like, that's my daily pay, you know, the $200 to $300. You know, the My Funded Futures you can only request once every 5 days. But yeah, pretty much I take like 2 to 3 payouts a week. Unpaired Electron, I generally trade 95% of my trading is on the Nasdaq futures. NQ. Ticker symbol NQ. Fernando, the rule of thumb, a good rule of thumb is for every $1,000 profit, you increase a micro contract on NQ. So for every $1,000 profit that you get in your account, add one MNQ. And that's kind of the safest way to scale up. Chris, in Ireland, trading is considered gambling, so 0% tax? What? I need to move to Ireland, guys. What are we talking about here? Yeah, freeware. I mean, futures has its advantages, but honestly, your prop earnings are a 1099 anyway. So, like, unless you have an LLC formed, there's not a whole lot of tax advantages. All right, guys, we're going to pick that winner here in about 5 minutes, so make sure you get your entries in. Welcome to everybody that's new to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. If you're new, my name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. I typically live stream Sunday through Thursday, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Man, this is getting hard to push out tone. No, unpaired electron. No, the 3.7K viewers is not real. That's my channel's been botted. My channel has definitely been botted. We've got I'm gonna guess we probably got 250 to 300 real people in here right now. That's what I'm gonna guess. Of course they're real. They're real bots. I mean, we're gonna announce that winner here in about 3 minutes or so. So make sure you get your exclamation point Wes's in. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. I appreciate you. Welcome to everybody that's new. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully you tune back in. I realize some of you are here just for the giveaway, and that's fine. But hopefully you enjoy the community. Hopefully you enjoy the streams and want to hang out every night. I don't sell any courses or mentorships or signal services or anything. We're just here to hang out and have a good time. Art Reyes, so it depends. Like, I'm to the point now in my trading where I trade mostly mini contracts. I did start with, 2 to 3 micros though, is where I started my journey. But most of them, I'm to the point where I'm trading a full mini contract. My personal account, it's usually 2 to 3 minis on swing positions. Crawl Billies, I'm live every Sunday through Thursday, 8:30 p.m. to about 10:30 or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. You can also just turn on notifications on my channel, and you'll get notified every time I go live. T. Cooper, yes, to your question. Divine, I'm more a swing style trader. Even my day trades, yes, they're considered scalps, right? Because they are day trades. But I generally go for larger targets. For those of you that are new here, I'll pull the trade over from today again, I guess. And it'll give you a little bit better idea about what I'm looking for. Obviously, not every trade is this big. This one was a pretty big trade today for me, even on a day trade. Let me find it here. We're going to do that giveaway here soon, guys. I promise. Just trying to give these guys the new people, a better understanding. There it is. All right, so this was a trade I took earlier today. So I was long just above 25,030. That was kind of my key area that I was looking for today. I was one mini long, and I was front running. My target was 25,200. I just front ran it by a few points. Ended up making like 3.1K on this trade today. For those of you that are interested. Oh, Kelly, you're on gold right now? Or you're on NQ? All right, guys, it's time. It is time. It is time. I'll give everybody one more minute here to get your exclamation point Wes in. We are giving away a 50K Lucid test account this evening here in about a minute. Exclamation point Wes will enter you into that drawing. Sorry to everybody who's asking questions. I see a lot of questions in the chat. I got to do this giveaway, unfortunately. I will try to get to your questions soon, I promise. All right, guys, it is time. We have 272 people entered. Last chance to get in if you're going to enter. Picking the winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Baku Nation, you'll need to type something in the chat in order to claim your prize. You are the winner of the 50K Lucid Test account. We'll give you 60 seconds to claim your prize. After 60 seconds, we will pick another winner if you don't respond in the chat. On the clock. For sure. I have a feeling this one could be a bot. Ah, there it is. Baku Nation, congratulations. Congratulations. Do you happen to have Discord? Are you on Discord, Baku Nation? Are you on Discord, Baku Nation? You have Discord? Will you do me a favor real quick and send me a friend request? It's WesleyEmeraldGate. No spaces. Capital W-E-S-L-E-Y. Capital E-M-E-R-A-L-D-G-A-T-E. Will you send me a friend request real quick? Yeah, I'll wait until you send it. All right. Hey, Fernando. Enjoy your evening. Hey, Kelly. Enjoy your night. Those of you that are peacing out. WesleyEmeraldGate. Baku. It's the name of the channel with no spaces. You can see you like the stream. You can secret pop quiz type giveaways. Like, bam, you get a car. Will one of you do me a favor and type my Discord username in the chat for Baku Nation? Hey, George, enjoy your evening. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate you. All right. It looks like I got you. There we go. There we go. All right, guys. I'm gonna salvage my voice at this point. I'm on the struggle bus, obviously. Thanks for tuning in tonight. I'm ending the stream down $375 this evening. A little bit annoying because I should be up, what, 4,000? Or at least 2,000? 2,000. I should be up $2,000. Enjoy the rest of your night. Trade safe, stay patient. Remember, we do have NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday at the closing bell. Those of you that received gifted memberships tonight, make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. Make sure you join Level Up Discord and you'll have access to my pre-market trading plans in the morning. Thanks for hanging out tonight, guys. Another great stream. You guys are amazing. And I will see you all tomorrow night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Peace.